What is it, pa?
Sila bukog.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Two behind. Okay. The burial site. We call this burial site because we recovered here different ancient wooden coffins, and inside the wooden coffins were different human bones. The reason why there were several human bones recovered to this area because the culture and tradition from the ancient people, if somebody dies among the members of the family, it should be left here facing east, where the sun rises. Because as their belief, if the sun rises, the spirit to those bones can be easily rose to heaven. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the different parts of human bodies. This one, you can come closer. You can come closer. This part of our body, our hips, this one. Yeah, this one. And this one, 1, 2, 3, connecting from our anus going to the backbone. Those were our spinal cord. And, yeah, and this one, the femur, from here going to the knee. And that one, the jaw. Some tourists told me that these jaws came from young ones. But I answered to them, no ma'am, no sir. Those came from the old people because as we observe, the teeth of this jaw are old enough. Yeah. And the skull becoming smaller and smaller because all of these bones, based on the study from the archaeologists, approximately 10,000 years ago. So
Yeah.
very
Like wala nagikuha sa Coliseum, museum.
Ang katunga gikuha.
Gikuha.
Still several human bones below. If we have to count it one by one, starting from here, going here, more or less 100 pieces of human bones.
Mao na ning mga wa na porma.
Okay. Those were the different ancient wooden coffins. The coffins before ang lungon kaniadto gagmay tungod kay ang first people from the Philippines were Malaysian. Small people. That is why the coffins were also smaller. And this is the cover to that coffin, the coffin for the baby, and the age of all this coffin. If the human bones approximately 10,000 years ago, listen, all of this coffin, wooden coffins, approximately 10,000 years ago. Now, we can notice why there are broken jars here. This one. The story is this. So the dead body should left here after 3 years. When the bones were decomposed, it should be transferred to the jar with cover. This jar came from that hole. They put this jar in that hole, and before our organization not yet developed BAFYAS, this BAFYAS, Badyang Fishermen's Association, was developed last 2002. Before that, there were several treasure hunters coming here. And they were the one who dig this jar there in that hole, and Giput the jar here and break it. Gipuspusan, gibunalan. Pagkatapos, the
Oo, sa bila.
and the bones were scattered. And be able to show the jewelers. Friends, before we leave this area, I would like to show you the different types of animals. Very wonderful. This one, please wait for me. The head of the elephant. That one. Look. The same color. Yeah. Yeah. Next, the head of the buffalo. That one. The head of the buffalo. Yeah. Next, the head of the chicken. This one. Yeah. Yeah, look. Yeah. Ma'am. Yeah. Oh, right eagle. And the last one, the beak of the parrot and the eye of the parrot. Look. The eye of the parrot is pointing at us. That one. Yeah. Yeah. Ma'am, nakita niyo mo head of the elephant, ma'am? This